Here's the walkthrough explanation of the identifying bond type practice part of the April 20th to 24th lesson for physical science. So this should look familiar from the slides on the example video or slides. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're given your chemical formula and you're going to identify just the total number of elements. So here in this case, because you have a hydrogen and an oxygen, there's just two elements there. Then you're going to identify the number of atoms. So here, because hydrogen has that subscript 2, hydrogen has 2 of each of them, so there's 2 there. Oxygen doesn't have a subscript, so it's an unspoken number 1, and so oxygen, there's only 1 of it, so there are 3 total atoms within this compound. And so our number of atoms, we're going to use our subscripts to help us figure that out. And then what we're going to do is identify the type of bond, if it's ionic or covalent. And in this case, because water, both hydrogen and oxygen are nonmetals, we know that it's a covalent bond. So now we're going to go down to sodium chloride and do that practice problem. So here we're going to identify that we've got 2 atoms present. We've got 1 sodium and 1 chlorine, so we've got 2 atoms present. That also helps us fill out this over here. We are going to say, okay, we have 1 sodium, and we know that because there's no subscript 1, but we have the element listed here. And then there's 1 chlorine, and so we have 2 total atoms. And then we know that this is an ionic compound because sodium is a metal and chlorine is a nonmetal. Go ahead and try the rest of the practice problems, and the key will be listed online for you. Good luck.